Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to add mates to these parts to turn them into a dynamic assembly. And before I begin, for consistency, I'm going to rename our Assembly 1 tab into Rotator Assembly, hovering over, right-click, selecting Rename, and typing in Rotator-Assembly, hitting Enter. Next, I'm going to select this tab. Let's inspect the 2D challenge and notice once more, all of the parts are connected to our plate. The plate being our parent part. Let's insert the plate part. Let's head up to our assembly toolbar and selecting Insert. Next, let's twirl this down, and I'm going to left click on part 1 and head over to our graphics area. So notice part 1 or plate is currently attached to my cursor. If I left click, this is where Onshape will place our part. In addition, one of the best practice is to align our XYZ 000 with the origin point of our part as much as possible. So I'm going to hit undo, and notice the origin of our plate is coincident with the origin of our assembly. Let's reinforce this learning. I'm going to undo this operation. Head back once more to Insert, twirl this down, and simply left click on part 1. And while still being inside the Insert Parts and Assemblies window, I'm going to hit the green check mark. We haven't added any mates yet, so this part is free to move. So let me left click and hold to move this part for you to see. Hitting undo. And once more, with the part's origin and our assembly's origin coincident with each other, I'm going to head over to part 1, right click, and I'm going to select Fix. And by fixing part 1, we are locking all of its degrees of freedom. So I cannot move this part any longer. In the next video, we are going to add the rest of the parts to make this as a dynamic assembly.